I'm Victor, and today I'm going to show you another simple experiment which is called the twist in time. So the items you need for this experiment are food coloring. So just choose 3 of your favorite food coloring colors, and it's liquid food coloring, not powder. Some droppers, like 3 is the ideal amount, and just make sure that they're long, like this, not really like these types. 3 small plastic containers, like these. 2 containers that are glass, but make sure that one fits in another, and that one is taller than another, the one that fits the other one. So it'll be like this. This is like the ideal size, but it can get bigger or smaller. And 2 cups that are filled with water, some dishwashing liquid, 4 clips, and some tissue to clean everything up, toilet paper roll. So the first thing you need to do is you get the soap, and then you pour it into this cup. Fill about 1/5 of the cup. 1/4, 1/5, around that. Yeah, like that. Okay. Put this back. Okay, then after I put the smaller cup inside the bigger one, should be like this. And make sure that the dishwashing liquid or any soap is see-through, first of all. But it can be pretty much any type of soap. And then after that, you should just put the soap in here and then mix it up with some food coloring. But I already did that, so that you have to pour the food coloring inside. Pretty much. So it's pretty simple. Just pour the food coloring. Just make it a bit darker. And then you just mix it up. And that will result to this. So then after that, you can get 1 cup of water and you pour it into the container that's inside to make sure that it's staying down and not like floating up. You can fill it up to almost full. Yep. And then after that, you get your droppers, and then you finally soak them with some of this food coloring liquid. And the other one with the other color. Then just put them down for a second and get the clips, and then put them together. So you should get like all the same types of clips, but since I just got household materials, it was like this. And put 3 clips, but leave a gap for 1 more so that you can put the food coloring in here, like this. And then now you take the food coloring and you put them in these dots, drop them down, and then flip it. Second one for red. And then like clean one out with the water. Like soon enough it'll be almost only liquid. Or it'll be like almost clear, as you can see here. And now get the final color, which is in this case green, and put it down here. So as you can see, they're all here. And then finally put the last clip on here. And then twist it now to one side. So twist it this way. And now when you twist it back, it's just gonna stay like what it was before, as you can see here. So I can twist it a bit more, and then it comes back. Twist it what? Yep, and it comes to what it was like before. So the science behind this experiment is laminar flow. So pretty much what happens is when you put the food coloring in here, it's basically separated by layers, so that when you are spinning this, it's actually an illusion that it's mixing together, but actually it's not really touching each other because they're actually in layers, as you might be able to see here, but I don't think that the camera can zoom that well. So anyways, when you're twisting it, it's like it's overlapping each other actually. So that's really what happens in this. And that's all. Thanks for watching and bye.